Yogesh Kathunia, born on March 3, 1997 in Haryana, India, is a remarkable para-athlete specializing in the discus throw F56 category. Despite suffering a paralytic attack at the age of 8, which significantly impacted his motor skills, Yogesh pursued sports with unwavering determination. He graduated from Kirori Mal College at Delhi University, balancing academics and athletics. Yogesh's journey in para-athletics is marked by several significant achievements. He made a notable impact at the 2019 World Para-Athletics Championships in Dubai, winning a bronze medal with a throw of 42.51 meters. His breakthrough moment came at the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics, where he clinched a silver medal with a throw of 44.38 meters, setting a new Asian record. He continued to dominate the field by securing gold medals at the 2021 FASA International Championships in Dubai, the 2022 National Para-Athletics Championships in India, and the 2022 World Para-Athletics Grand Prix in Italy. His consistent performances, with throws often surpassing 43 meters, established him as a leading competitor in his category. At the 2023 Asian Para Games in Hangzhou, Yogesh again bagged the silver medal with a throw of 45.10 meters. Though his throw was the farthest, he lost the gold on the Raza point system. As the Paris Paralympics 2024 approaches, Yogesh Kathunia is undoubtedly one of the top gold medal contenders. The gold medal, a prestigious accolade, missing from his impressive tally. Reflecting on his journey and aspirations during an interview with Rev Sports at the Asian Para Games in Hangzhou, Yogesh expressed his determination to win gold at the Paris Paralympics. What did he say? Listen in.
इस बार भी सिल्वर आया, गोल्ड क्या प्राइस के लिए उठा के रखा है?
तैयारी मेरी हमेशा अच्छी सी रहती है, लेकिन दिक्कत क्या थी, यहाँ पर रजा पॉइंट सिस्टम था और मुझे पता नहीं था, तो रजा पॉइंट सिस्टम में एक्चुअली थ्रो मैंने ज़्यादा मारी थी, लेकिन मेडल मेरा सिल्वर आया। लेकिन कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मुझको मोटिवेट करता है नेक्स्ट ईयर पैरालंपिक्स के लिए। पैरालंपिक्स में सिर्फ रजा सिस्टम नहीं होगा, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है इस बार गोल्ड नहीं छोड़ना।
बट तीनों इंडियन से पोडियम पे थे। वो उसका फीलिंग्स कैसा है?
वही बहुत ज्यादा खुशी वाली बात है। एक बात बोलना चाहूंगा, झाड़ू मार दिया अच्छे से इंडिया वालों ने और तिरंगा लहरा दिया, तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा खुशी है कि हम तीनों का मेडल आया और इंडियंस थे तीनों, तो बहुत ज्यादा इससे मोटिवेशन मिलता है और भी यंग एथलीट्स को मोटिवेशन मिलेगा इस चीज का।